There is a famous saying, if you educate a girl, she will educate a nation. Most of us have children at home. Imagine our children studying in a school with almost no basic facilities, such as desks, uniforms, clean drinking water, or even toilets. A school that does not have enough rooms to facilitate poor children who are forced to sit outside on the floor, both in hot and freezing weather conditions. These children have no choice but to study in a dangerously defected building, full of damp, extremely poor conditions and hazards all around. The school has no boundary walls, no playground, and no heating or fans. Would you expect your children to study in this school? Of course not. We ask you to help us rebuild this school. These girls are our future doctors, engineers, teachers, and mothers of our new generation. We cannot thank you enough for your generous support. Please donate today.